स्वात्मिकायै नमः ओं त्रिकालज्ञानसम्पन्नायै नमः ओं भुवनेश्वर्यै नमः ओं श्रीमहालक्ष्मी श्रीभूदेव्यै नमः ओं श्रीनीलादेव्यै नमः श्रीगोदादेव्यै नमः श्रीअनन्ताय श्रीगरुडाय श्रीमते विश्वक्सेनाय नमः ओं श्री पराङ्कुशाय नमः श्रीमते रामानुजाय नमः श्रीमद्वरवरमुनेन स्वाचार्येभ्यो पूर्वाचार्येभ्यो समस्तपरिवाराय सर्वदिव्यमङ्गलविग्रहाय श्रीमते नारायणाय नमः. After getting the blessings from all these devatas, one after one, we pleased so many devatas. We have achieved so much of merit, enough merit to reach Sri Satyanarayana Swami. Now we are going to pray Sri Satyanarayana Swami and offer services to Satyanarayana Swami while meditating upon Lord Satyanarayana and also while revealing your desires to Lord Satyanarayana. Please repeat after me. Shankha Chakra Gadapane Dwaraka Nilaya Achyuta Govinda Pundarikaksha Rakshamam Saranagatam Jitante Pundarikaksha Namaste Visvabhavana Namastestu Hrishikesha Mahapurusha Purvaja. Sri Satyanarayana Swamine Namaha Dhyayami Dhyanam Samarpayami. Avahayami Ratnakhachita Simhasanam Samarpayami. Invite him with so much of heart full of affection and give him nice Simhasana which is embedded with Vajras, all gems and Navaratnas. Now try to wash the divine feet of Sri Satyanarayana Swami with so much of delicacy. Sri Satyanarayana Swamine Namaha Padayoh Padyam Samarpayami Om Trini Pada Vichakrame Vishkur Gopadabhyaha Tato Dharmani Dharayanna Sri Satyanarayana Swamine Namaha Astayo Arjam Samarpayami Om Tatsavitravarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yonah Prachodayat Om Sri Satyanarayana Swamine Namaha Mukhayo Achamaniyam Samarpayami Apah Punanta Prithvi Bhuta Punatman Punanta Brahmanaspati Brahma Bhuta Punatman Saprivar Sameta Sri Satyanarayana Swamine Namaha Panchamruta Snanam Samarpayami. Visualize that you are giving nice bath to Sri Satyanarayana Swami. Since it is holy, this has a significance towards Satyanarayana Swami and also Lord Shiva. So we are going to offer Abhishekam to Satyanarayana Swami and Lord Shiva here. So I request one after one, maybe only elders, not the kids, come there, offer Abhishekam to Satyanarayana Swami and Shiva. There is a bowl of Panchamrutam and also spoon. Nicely offer them. Again, please be seated in your places. If it takes another 10 minutes, we will continue with the Katha. Can someone come and clear this way, please?